Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. In this video I gonna show you how to make 2D jump in Unity. I recently got a comment to make this video. So let's start the video. So here I have a 2D scene with main camera. So let's add a ground. So go to hierarchy, right click, select 2D object and select sprite and drag our ground sprite here and set it to the scene. I'm gonna use this. You can make it of any color you want. I'm gonna use red. It's good. So let's name it ground. And add a component name box collider 2D and then create another 2D object sprite and let's drag our player to the sprite and move it here and we're gonna change the color to something like this and add a component name box collider 2D as well and rigid body 2D and let's name it player. So firstly add a new script for our player to jump, so let's name it jump, hit create and add and double click to open it and firstly delete our start message because we don't need it and then public. Let's create a reference for our player, so we will write rigid body 2D, let's name it player RB and then public float. This gonna be using for speed, so let's name it jump height and another public. This time we're gonna use bool to make sure that we are jumping or not and let's say it to false by default. Then inside our update message we're gonna use if input dot get key down key code dot space, then if we have to make sure that we are jumping or not. If we are jumping equals to false, then player RB dot add force vector 2 dot up multiply by jump height and is jumping is equals to true because when is jumping equals false, so when we jump, and when we jump so is jumping equal true. So now save it, head back to Unity, drag our rigid body here and let's set the jump height to something like 500, then hit play. You can see I can jump for the one time only cause is jumping is true. So the next statement we have to use outside our update message void on collision enter 2D and if collision dot collider dot tag is equals to, let's call it ground, then is jumping is equal to false. Now save it, select the ground sprite and here you can see inside a tag this is untagged, so add a tag. You have to add a ground tag by hitting here. I have already added it, So select the ground and select the ground tab. Now when we hit play, you can see I can jump every time I want. And you have also remember one thing, that we are jumping only once when we come on ground. If we are in air, we can't jump. So I got command to make this, that when we on air, we not able to jump. So it's enough for this video. So if you like the video, so please like the video, comment how was the video, share this video. Thanks for watching.